I'm going to put the notches here at the centre front of the hood on top of each other. It's right over left, so the top one is the right one, right over left because it's for ladies wear. And just sew that in place. So baste it along here. And while I'm at it, because I've got the right colour thread on the top and the bottom to match, I'm just going to whip right around this edge. But I'm not going to do it too far in, just a little rubber stitching, maybe 6mm in from the edge, just a foot width, a small foot width, just to hold it in place. And making sure these two fabrics are sitting right on top of each other. Lining up the shoulder seams, the notches on top of each other. And the seam there on top of each other. Centre back seam, the notch for the centre back, right on top of each other again. The panels at the back of the hoodie, centre back hoodie panel, lining up with the lining. And this will help me sew it into the neckline. I don't need to reverse them because it's only a row to hold it into place. But I do want to cut those threads to make sure that I don't get more threads lying around than I need to have. Just tidies up your work as you go.